Hey guys, how you going? Hope you're doing well during this whole virus period. Today I just wanted to make a quick video about this little upgrade that we did for the milling machine. We've been doing a lot of deep pocket milling lately, and the flood coolant just hasn't been able to clear out the chips all the way. So what I would do previously is I would get the air gun and I would just have the doors, held almost closed, stick the air nozzle through there and just be blasting like that and just copping a little bit of coolant and chips every now and then. But what we quickly knocked up was just a dial indicator magnetic base, which you can just put on the spindle pretty much anywhere and you can take it off quickly if you need to. And we've just zip tied on some 6mm tube stuff that comes over down here, and got a push button air solenoid, so it's normally closed, and that's just hooked up to the air compressor. So we've got the air going to the machine, air going to the gun if you need it, and one to that push button. So it's really handy now. Just have it next to the door here, so that helps clear out those deep pockets. And as a bonus, it will also clean off the taper of the tools and the tool changer, because sometimes you get chips up on the in the carousel here. If you're doing some sort of pretty heavy adaptive clearing or something, it will flick chips up in the umbrella. So I would normally keep an eye out for it and then just stop the machine and clean off the tools if I needed to. But now I can just blast the tools during a tool change, which I'll show you. What tool am I on? Let's go tool 2. So for example, I've just stopped the machine there, but you can give that a blast as well, which is really handy sometimes. Don't have to stop the machine now. So yeah, pretty cheap little upgrade if you're having similar issues, or if you're doing some deep pocket milling. It's a really economical way of just getting it done. Anyway, simple, but hope you guys see some value in it, and I'll catch you later.